Hey guys, so today I'm reviewing this soundbar, and right now I got some Borderlands 3 up, but this is just the regular TV without the soundbar. And so I'm gonna fire off a couple shots. Okay, so now here is the soundbar with no TV. So as you can tell from the music that the sound is deeper and richer, and it just sounds like more in your face. So here's the shots. Okay. So as you can tell, there's a big difference there. So in my personal opinion, if you have one of these flat screen TVs, you're gonna need a soundbar to really experience the sound of that, whether watching movies or playing video games. Overall, I would highly suggest this soundbar. It's pretty cool. It looks awesome, it does its job, and it sounds really great. So yeah, here it is. Thanks guys.